Now we'd like you to write this flipbook animation style in code. We've given you a list of image assets to use for Evil Devices. What you need to do is load all of these image assets and place them in the frame array. After your images are loaded, you should go through and fill out the rest of the animation function here, which will actually draw the flipbook animation images to the screen as we described before. Make sure that when your animation is finished, you loop back to the beginning. Now, before this, you need to have some logic that checks for whether or not the images are loaded, and once all of the frames have been loaded, actually does a call to setInterval. Now, setInterval takes as input a pointer to a function you'd like to call, as well as a millisecond count on how often you want it to be called. So for instance, if I made a function and wanted it to be called once every 30 milliseconds, those would be parameters that I pass into it. Make sure that your setInterval call actually calls the animate function once every 30 milliseconds.